Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's question is very simple. What is this? So what are the structures shown with arrows here? And here is the variance of the answers. If you are not sure which answer to choose, take a look at this picture. What you see here is a bacteria, and we call it blue-green algae, and this photosynthetic bacteria forms chains, which we call filaments. And during the process of evolution, vegetative cells learn how to change their function. And now you see not only vegetative cells, but here, as you see, there are some cells present which are not green. That means that they are not photosynthesized, and we call them heterocyst. This is a point where nitrogen is accumulated and absorbed from the environment through the processes of nitrogen fixation. If environment becomes unfavorable, some of the cells, those usually next to heterocyst, also change their function. We call them Akinete. This is single-celled non-motile resting spore resulting from the metamorphosis of an ordinary vegetative cell. An Akinete has a thick wall, and its germination may follow an extended period of dormancy, sometimes 20, 30, even 50 years. Distribution of akinetes within the filament can vary within a species. Their position in a filament may be diagnostic, so different species have akinetes at different positions, and this helps us specify the species. The term itself came from the Greek a, meaning without, and kinein, meaning to move. Now we can return to our question, and now everyone would be able to answer this question. The structures shown here with arrows would be Akinete. Answer B. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.